Morning, Lee.
Open, Kira.
Wait ko, ano yung makeup na?
Where's the one?
Morning.
Where is it?
Sus ka, early man ani nag-visit. Oy. Happy days. Bulingit na po ka, ana. Kasi mo man na mami. Uy.
Good morning guys! Today, we're going for brunch guys. Magyayamcha tayo. Kasama natin, kami lang tatlo. Si Michelle, ako, at si ate. Kami lang yung kakain. Iwan dito yung mga kids kasama si Dan. So, I'm just waiting for ate. And we are going. This is our last day here. Kasi bukas, flight na natin papuntang Queensland. There's a little bit of lipstick. This lipstick is from NARS, but sobrang red niya. So, hindi ko siya masyadong bit. Excuse me.
Morning! Good weather. Naka-escape yung nanay, oh. Naka-escape sa mga anak. Dito tayo sa Impress. It's very impressive. Ayan. Burnside, oh. Hindi pwede sa bridge. Go. But maybe not here. May next batch pa.
Iwan mo niya, balik mo. Huwag mag-iuli.
Walang stand yan.
Laming chicken cake.
Nag-antay kami doon ng matagal. Nag-antay kami doon ng matagal kasi nag-order kami ng
Tinulak ako ba?
Pistolasan na ipaduan ko. Nag-order kami ng lava bun. Gusto ko sana i-try yung lava bun.
Sarap sana.
Kaso lang mga 30 minutes na hindi pa talaga nila hindi pa talaga dumating yung order. Tapos check pa sila ng check sa amin kung anong inaantay namin. Akala siguro lang tatambay-tambay lang kami doon. Pero wala yung lava bun. Tapos yung third na staff na inas namin kung asa na yung lava bun, siya yung nag-check at saka yung sabi, hindi pa pala na steam yung lava bun. So, kinancel na lang namin. So, natagalan tayo doon. Now, we're gonna go to Burnside. At alam nyo ba guys, si Michelle, tinulak ako. Ayo guys, Michelle, tinulak ako. May ako dito. Sumbong tanan ba? Dito na kami sa Burnside. Oy, kape. Kailangan natin magkape. shoulders and out. They're in Zara. Bakit sa akin talaga pangit?
Ang size.
Ito small.
Try siguro ng extra.
Extra small kay ate, ganda. Ganda sa kanya. Dili ko extra small.
Try mo lang.
Extra small.
Kasi ito po.
Na, dito na naman tayo sa Adidas. Yeah, nice na siya. Nice. Ay, ang mamahal pala talaga ng mga furniture. Kani, magkano to? Magkano to? Maganda to, oh. Pila nito? Mahal kay ni Uy? Mahal at sobrang mahal ata nito. Ganda naman dito. This is a nice couch. Ang ganda dito, eh. Tapos na kami dito, guys. Tapos na ang maliligayang araw. Uwian na! Uwian na kasi mga kiddos. Namiss na natin yung kiddos. Nandito na pala tayo dito sa bahay. And then, ito pala yung nabili ko today. Bumili tayo ng something sa Uniqlo. So, meron ganito si ate. Lagi ko kasi siyang ginagamit. Kasi nga, pwede mo lang very lightweight. Tapos, ang dami mo talagang mapapasok sa loob. Ang dami mo talagang pwedeng ilagay sa loob. Hindi sleeping. Tapos, bago na nila to na design, guys. Kasi yung old na bag ni ate, na same talaga ng form dito. Ngayon, meron na siyang ganito. So, pwede kong lagyan actually ng camera. Tingnan nyo. Kasya lang yung camera. Pero hindi all of it. Alo! So, hindi lahat actually magkakasya. Pero, secured siya. Kasi may elastic siya dito. So, ayan. That's what I got. This is just $24.90. Tapos, binilihan din natin si mama ng cup. Ito. Ganda. Ay! Iman lagi ni. Eto. Cute siya. Kasi, dark red. Tapos, gold yung design niya. This is from Tommy. Tommy Hilfiger. Panibago na naman nilang pa-aura. Nice. Laptop, Michelle?
Now I got to stop. Oh, what happened to him? Well, you can't play with him anymore because he's a student and he just wants to learn.
Stay there.
No, you stand over there. I'll take you in there.
Hi.
You should take the kid away.
Take the Tina Rich. Oh, wait. Oh.
Woo! Take it away.
Take it to me.
Okay.
I'll take it to you.
Stop laughing. Stop laughing. Please not playing.
Good guy.
No.
Was good king.
What? Oh! Oh! Whoa!
What are you doing? The game sucks on my own. The game sucks.
Sali daw si Madam.
Mommy, look at this.
Didi, what are you doing here? Siya lang mag-isa dito. Dito lang siya. Dito lang sa aking laptop.
What are you doing
Silly Didi.
Are you here?
Hey, silly Didi. What are you doing here? By yourself? Luto ng pork at saka ito. Ay! Inoki mushroom. Sada ka. Good. Let's eat. Liver at saka heart. Tapos ito. Ang tawag dito, Day? Pinakupsan. Pinakupsang baboy. Pickled mangoes. Tapos, yan yung sauce natin. Nesty. Tapos, inoki mushroom. And then, ito pala, rock melon. Let's eat! Let's eat! Heidi! Sisam Didi. Hello!
Kaya kung may may
Ha? Naog ka? Manag ka? You done? You done? Okay!
Bye, Dave.
Mama, I don't want to do this.
I think you were tired from soccer.
You tired from soccer, boy? Yummy!
Ano na ako si may hungry my tummy?
Mama, we are coming.
Napunta ko ito, diba? Why?
Related sa kapag-lafi? Wala silang eat?
Hello. Kasi hindi, ikaw mo yun. Guys, meron tayong bisita sa sasakyan ni Michelle, oh.
Awo.
Didi! Where you going? Sama ka sa amin? Naka-ano pa, oh. Naka-necklace pa yan. Sama ka sa amin, girl. Where you going? You driving? Bye, Dee! Go, bye-bye. Bye, Dee! Bye-bye. Didi. Wala, na-amaze siya. Na-amaze siya. Oh, bye-bye. Bye! Look! Galiso, Didi ka mo.
Guys, may mag-haul tayo, guys. Alam nyo, super tagal na nito na deliver dito sa address ni ate. Mga Yes Style products na na-receive ko before pumunta tayo ng New Zealand.
hindi ko pa pala ito napakita sa inyo. So, I think nakita nyo na to. Lagi ko siyang gamit. This is the Dr. Althea 345. Ito yung bagong moisturizer ko that I love. Relief cream. So, ayan. Meron siyang niacinamide. Yan yung lagi ko ginagamit. Yung downside lang nito, hindi ko masyadong bet yung kanilang tube. Kasi nga, nagbe-break yung tube nila. So, hindi ko siya masyadong bet. I also have, this is the remover. Speedy Mascara Remover. Para sa aking Kiss Me or Heroin Makeup na mascara nga. This is a bubble lip mask. Nakatry na ako nito before, guys. Sobrang effective nito, especially if chapped yung lips mo or super dry ng lips mo and you wanna get rid of the dried parts ng lips. Kasi natatanggal niya talaga. Ganda. Maganda ko siya. Actually, dalawa to. Yung isa nga, ginamit ko na. Kaka-open ko lang ng Anwa ko 3 days ago. This is the Anwa Heart Leaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. If you've been following me, alam ko na alam nyo na ginagamit ko to. The next one is, meron tayong maliliit dito. A Punky Metallic Matte na Lip Mod. I haven't tried this one. Might as well try it now. Pero ganito yung itsura niya. First time natin ito try. Ooh. Ooh. Ganda siya. Maganda siya i-apply sa lips. I'm just not sure kung maglalast siya. Pero ganito. Ganda ng kulay din. The other one is this is the Handaya eyeshadow stick. Gusto ko yung mga eyeshadow stick kasi pwede ka lang magdala ng isa ba, tapos may pangkulay ka na. Ay, naka-cover man. Pero yung color nito is 19. Pakita ko sa inyo siguro yung picture sa gilid. Kung ano yung magiging itsura niya. The next one is this Peel Shot. This is exfoliating kojic acid turmeric spray. Body and foot exfoliator. Yan. It hydrates and revives dull skin with a fresh, healthy glow daw. The one is the Volume Lift. This is the eye cream. Ito, gusto ko mag-eye cream kasi napapansin ko na talaga na kailangan ng buhay ng ating mata. So, I would really want eye cream. First time natin siyang itatry. This is from Medipil and maganda yung kanyang applicator. Kaya, sige, tingnan mo yung applicator niya. Ganda. Metal tip. So, it's very cooling and calming sa ating mata. That's it. If you wanna check out the products that I've showed you earlier, guys, just click the links in the description box. Also, you can use my code RICHZIGS21 for 15% discount. And yun. Buti na lang naalala ko kasi nga bukas yung film natin. Hindi ka na makikita. Bisita tayo. We have a visitor. Hello? Hello, D. You want a little bit of ano? Here you go. Here you go. Wee. Wee. Like that. Kira ang baby god. Apa na?
Okay, Mommy.
New ano tayo?
Mama, can you make a recipe with like cold water?
I'm fine. Okay, de. Thank you, de. Bubble wrap, yeah, you can get her bubble wrap.
ka.
Wait, I'm gonna miss you.
Say miss you.
Yeah, okay, bye-bye, Day Day.
Bye-bye.
Big hug. Oh, bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, me.
See the Rich.
Big hug. Mama.
Hug See the Rich.
Okay, don't pop.
Bye-bye na.
Pinakadakong
Nawon mi ani
I
pinakadakong
need
baba.
to do really hot so it doesn't work.
Wait, I'm holding the Rich's camera.
Ano din siya?
Oh, bye-bye, JJ.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Tita Michelle na.
Hello? You going with me?
Oh no.
But boy.
Alright, come on, Alo.
Alo, we're gonna clean up.
Tomorrow. Quick.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Well,
we have to
I'm gonna
say
see you
bye-bye.
next time again, okay?
Come on, say bye to Tita.
Bye-bye, guys.
Okay, you're not coming.
Bye-bye, guys. Thank you. Say thank you.
I love you too, Michelle, when you come.
Oh. Boy, I have to say bye-bye
Give that
now.
to
Come
Tita.
on,
Good night
we
na,
still have to
boy.
clean. Bye, boy.
bye.
I'm gonna miss you, boy.
Napugos,
Boy,
napugos.
I'm gonna miss you, boy.
Just a hug.
A hug.
Thank you.
Tita Rich a hug. She's going to. Come on.
I'm going to.
Alo, come on.
Alo, come.
Okay, deal.
Come.
Say hug See the Rich.
Come on, give her a hug, Alo. And what do you say to her? She gave you lots of presents.
Kung ano yung
That
lang,
hug man
That was
yan.
not a proper hug.
Not a proper one. Not a proper one, that one.
Say bye, Tita.
Oh.
Tita Michelle. Bye, Tita Michelle.
Boy, JJ.
Oh,
JJ, I'm gonna miss you the most.
Mag-close na, uy. Kapila, magbabay. Ilang times ba tayo magbababay?
close na niyang door. Hala,
Na, close na daw ang door.
JJ, I'm gonna miss you the most.
Babay, Jay.
Oh, wala yung close na yung door.
Close na, uy. Daghan na kagbabay, uy. Daming babay, uy.
Bye-bye, JJ.
Didi is back. Didi is back here. Uy, gawiskon ko yan. Ano, tita? Akala ko matutulog ka na. Ako yung laptop ko. Naka-step sa laptop ko. Ay. Bye-bye, Di. Where are you going? Bonding moments. Bonding moments with the kiddos.
Hi guys, I see you.
Oh, bonding na. Spider-Girl and Spider-Man.
I can climb up the roof. Look at me. I can climb.
Careful.
I can build it. Ready guys? I'm going to jump up.
Yeah.
We're going to jump up too.
Ooh.
And then jump up there. One.
Woo!
Jump up.
Byong.
I'm fun. I didn't do
Kala nyo, tulog na. Yan.
I'm fun.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
I'm like
쓰지 않아 끝없이 생각에 빠져 허우적거릴 뿐이야 Why don't you make me smile Why don't you tell me your heart 이 순간만큼 내게 말해줘 You're my baby Tell me 나를 나의 끝에 시간 속에 널 이 자리에서 돌아보지 걷는 너의 매일을 Let me know if you have the same feeling as I do 자꾸만 마주칠 때 스치는 너의 그 시선
Ate, see you next time. Tulog pa. Hello. Kumising. Bakit kumising ito batang to? Ay, batay. We're gonna go na alo. Ano naman?
What do you know?
Oko, baba boy. Kakagising lang ito.
Do you have time for me?
Huh?
I have time for
Do
me.
you have a treasure for me? Yeah, I think she put it there.
Yeah.
What is it?
Your mom is gonna give it to you.
We'll find out tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Thank you,
Bye,
Te.
sis.
Welcome, No one knows each other.
Babay Didi and Isla. Babay Didi and Isla. Guys, we're here. Oh my God. Trabaho na. Ayoko pa. Pero kailangan na. Saka ng book natin. We are here. Ah, grabe naman. Haba naman ang pila ng lift. Yun na yung pila ng lift.
Is travelling to Hobart on Virgin Australia flight VA1002. Please make your immediate way to gate 39 as boarding for this flight is. Put your seatbelt firmly fastened.